how to make a consistent, safe income on Trading 212. So, as a disclaimer, there is no guaranteed way to make a consistent profit in the financial markets. So this is for educational purposes only, and it's not financial advice. So, if you'd like to increase your chances of making a consistent profit, make sure to focus on long-term strategies. So you can do this by simply investing in a diversified portfolio of stocks, ETFs, or index funds. So this strategy aims for steady growth over time whilst minimizing short-term risks. You can also try identifying undervalued companies and hold them for the long term whilst expecting their value to appreciate. And another thing you can try is try developing a solid trading plan. So this works by defining your risk tolerance, setting clear goals, choose your trading style, like whether you be a day trader, swing trader, or investing for the long term, as well as developing a risk management strategy. And you can also utilize Trading 212's features, such as their fractional shares, which allows you to invest in fractions of expensive stocks, making it easier to diversify your portfolio, and the copy trading feature, which allows you to follow the trades of successful investors, but make sure to always be cautious and do your own research. And lastly, the other features you can try are Trading 212's educational resources, such as their articles, webinars, and market data to help you with your trading. So that wraps it up, but always make sure to be aware of the risks associated with CFDs, including the potential for significant losses, and always make sure not to invest more than you can afford to lose. So I hope you found this insightful, and if you did, then consider supporting the channel by leaving a like, a comment, and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.